Welcome back, folks, to Car Brand Infos. Today, we're going to talk about Toyota and their recalls. Now, they're not recalling as many vehicles as Honda. If you've seen my past video on the Honda recalls, there's 295,000 vehicles for Honda slash Acura. Please, if you have these models, these vehicles, please reach out to your dealerships and get these taken care of right away. It's for your safety or your family safely or friends that may be traveling with you in your vehicles. So for Toyota slash Lexus, these are the vehicles that they are recalling, and I will give an explanation why. It is 1,700 vehicles from them, and those vehicles consist of the Toyota Corolla, the Corolla Cross, the Corolla Cross Hybrid, Highlander, Highlander Hybrid, the Tacoma, the Lexus NX 250, and NX 350. And the RX 350 vehicles. Now, these are very popular vehicles from Honda and, from Toyota and Lexus. These are probably largely purchased from them. What they said is that they basically had a previous recall for these very vehicles, and these vehicles may have had work done by the dealership that may not have been necessarily necessary or inspected properly. To make sure that what was going on with the sensor for the airbags would properly deploy and keep the light from illuminating in an event that there's a collision. And so you do want to make sure that because this is, just as serious as the Honda one, but you want to make sure that you definitely take the time to have your vehicle inspected, especially if you were recently at your dealership for this recall. Now, what Toyota has put out, a statement from them, you can look up your vehicle from toyota.com/recall or lexus.com/recall or nhsta.gov/recall. These are the sites that you can go on to, run your VIN, and check. If you need to speak to somebody and you want to call in, the number to reach is 800-331-4331. And on the Lexus side, 800-255-3987. So please, if you can, take your vehicles to your dealerships, schedule an appointment. It's better to be safe. So just have this checked. This statement was put out January 29th, so this is just recent. So just please make sure you guys are on top of this. This is for your safety and your friends and family safety, as I keep you guys posted with news around the auto industry. So please take the time to have your vehicles inspected. If you own any of these vehicles from Toyota or Lexus, please have them inspected and looked at. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll keep you posted for more updates.